have made my way over to come and see Chris again from Omori Machinery to have a little look about, well, your new technologies, your new innovation. There's been a lot going on in a year for you, hasn't there?
Yeah, I can't believe we're end of September already. The year has absolutely flown by. It's only seemed like yesterday we were talking last year, but it's been an interesting year. But, we're finishing on a high, which is always a good positive.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's go back to basics to start with. Can you tell us a little bit about Omori, what it is that you do?
Yeah, well, Omori has been going since the 1940s. We sell packaging and processing equipment throughout the UK and Ireland, and we also have offices in Europe as well.
Amazing. So what are we looking at then here at the PPMA show this year? So we've got a couple of machines. Let's talk through them.
From a packaging point of view, we have our flow wrappers, which we make ourselves. These machines are a really popular range at the moment. Recyclable material is something that all of our customers are talking about, really keen. And we're as machine manufacturers, we're striving to make our equipment more I'll try and get my words out, more environmentally friendly. So reduce power consumption, more efficient in-feed systems. So working with our customers, trying to understand, what are the key things to them. And, I like, one of the things I really like is doing joint ventures with our customers, sitting around a table, understanding what their exact requirements are, and then we can design and build. And there's no better feeling than once you see the machine in the factory running, stood by the customer going, well, there you go. We were scratching on a bit of paper sort of 12 months ago, and here it is.
I absolutely love that. That is such a nice thing to be able to do with your customers. And like you said, being able to go from the table, that pen and paper, to reality. And especially when you're doing something like, the focus on something that is a little bit more sustainable, a little bit more environmentally friendly. It has been a bit of a buzzword for a couple of years, but this year we're really seeing it. We're seeing it right in front of us with our own eyes about how actually the technologies have been developed. What we were talking about 2 years ago is now here.
Yeah, no, it's as I say, as machine manufacturers, it's our responsibility. We've really got to work hard at improving ourselves and delivering what our customers and the consumer needs.
Yeah, absolutely. And another sort of keyword, automation, something else that obviously is improving year in year. We've got some stuff going on behind us as well. Can you talk us through this machine?
Yeah, so this machine will fill and seal pre-made pouches. And again, this equipment has really come on leaps and bounds over the last few years, and mainly, and I've got to take my hat off to the pouch suppliers, to be honest, because the pouches have become a lot better. The graphics are a lot clearer. There's resealable devices now. There's spout pouches. And again, from an environmental point of view, all of these pouches are fully recyclable. Transportation is a lot cheaper for pouches than rigid containers. So again, the driving force behind this is flexibility and, as I say, from an environmental point of view. So we can fill and seal different components into this pouch all on the one machine. So it's quite a small footprint, as you can see. And pet food, soup, sauces, all different type of things.
I was reading a stat earlier on about the fact that UK households now, 40% of them have a pet. So the fact that actually you're doing this is very on trend.
No, pet food industry is so buoyant at the moment, and that the quality of the product is excellent. If you go down the aisles now, the cans are disappearing, and you're seeing pouches, trays with nice sleeves on, and it's incredible.
Well, they only deserve the best. All right, let's head over to this side then, because you've got some other machines going on. What are some of the other technologies that you're showcasing here at PPMA?
So there's two divisions of the company, as I said before. So that was the packaging side. This is the machine processing side. So this is a tumbling machine, a trolley tumbler. Very, very simple device, very popular with our customers. You just wheel a trolley in, press the setting so you can mix marinades with product. If you have like a potato salad, things like that, you can mix very easily. So you start with this type of system, and then you can grow to the fully automated lines. But this is a nice little startup unit that, yeah, we do quite nicely with.
Yeah, it's funny, we're developing technology so much, and automation in particular. We sometimes forget about the basics, so actually being able to have this as on offer for your customers must still be just such a wonderful thing that they see.
And many customers aren't ready for the full, all singing, all dancing production line. They need to start somewhere, and if we can offer them a basic system to get them up and running, then hopefully they can grow to the automated line. So, although it's a basic system, it works really well for us.
Yeah, don't mess with something that's not broken. I think that's the phrase, isn't it? And we do have, I think over here as well, one more machine that we're looking at.
This is an industrial microwave. Now, this machine is normally 10 meters long, so it's difficult to get here. We'd have to take up the stand, so we've kind of put this graphic together. So we've just got the in-feed system, but again, this will take frozen block product from -18 down to -3 degrees within a matter of minutes. So same principle as your home microwave, but on a far greater scale. We can process maybe sort of 8 tons an hour on this line. So yeah.
Okay.
But we've been selling this type of equipment now, I guess, for getting on for 35 years. It's tried and tested, and it's something that we're passionate about.
And clearly very proud of as well, quite rightly so. So how is the PPMA show going for you this year?
Well, just yesterday alone, we received more inquiries than we did over the 3 days last year.
Oh, okay, well those figures speak for themselves. And we were saying, how many years have you now been at the PPMA show?
Well, we were involved in the first shows, which are held in Telford in Shropshire 30-something years ago.
This is the 35th year.
Right. So yeah, over 30 years ago. All I remember is it being in a marquee in a field somewhere in Telford or near Telford, so we've been doing it quite a while.
Why is it important then that you come back year after year?
Well, for me personally, if you're in sales, exhibitions are where you want to be, because you've got all your customers walking around, new ones, and just as importantly, your familiar faces. The last couple of days it's been great catching up with people I've not seen for a while. They may have changed jobs, their business may have changed, so it's great catching up with them, but it's also important that we try and get a few new ones as well. So that's the reason that we're here.
Amazing. Thank you so much for taking us through everything that you're up to, and hopefully along the next 2 days, I hope those figures keep going up for you. But thank you so much.